Welcome back to my channel. This is Rim from rimsartsyvibes and I am back with another new video as promised before. If you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can keep track of all the videos that I keep uploading on my channel every week. And if you are already a subscriber, then please give a thumbs up after watching the video, and if you like my video, because you know what, your likes and your subscriptions really motivate me a lot and keep me going, guys. So please keep supporting me and keep liking my videos. So anyways, without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. So today I am back with another upcycling idea video with a cake board. You know what, I just can't throw these cake boards off. I don't know why. I know there are several MDF boards available in the market and they are also available at quite a cheap rate, but I just can't throw these cake boards off, guys. I either paint on them or I make clay art. So in today's video, you will see me making some beautiful and aesthetic clay art on this MDF board. So anyways, without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. So this is the board that I was talking about, and this one is also pretty big, maybe 12 centimeters in diameter, and this one is a very good quality MDF board and not just cardboard. So I thought of using it for doing some detailed clay work. So let's not waste any more time and start making a rough sketch of the design that I'm going to make on this cardboard. And as I just mentioned, the design will be an intricate one, so I will definitely take quite a lot of time to sketch it and also to make the clay patterns on it. So I am fast forwarding it so that it doesn't take much of your time. And once I finish making the sketch, I am using clay on it. So as always, I am using Fevicryl molded for the purpose. Take out equal proportions of the hardener and the resin and then mix them properly and knead them really well until and unless you get a white colored dough. Don't forget to spread some talcum powder on your hands, which will avoid sticking of this clay on your hands and will prevent them from becoming super dirty. So make your desired shapes and then stick them onto your board using any glue. I am using Fevicol here. And remember, you are supposed to make all the designs on the clay while the clay is still wet. So do you see here that I am following the design sketch that I just made on the board, and I am making shapes and sticking them on the board accordingly. So this time this project is actually a lot of work. Guys. There are so many details on this particular project, and although I love adding details, but this project is going to take a hell lot of time, guys. You know what, the most time consuming part of this artwork will be making the clay pieces. Painting this art piece is really going to be very easy as compared to the amount of work that I am having to do while making these clay pieces. So one thing I can guarantee for sure, that this art piece is going to test your patience level, guys. Now there is one piece of suggestion that I would like to give you here, is that always prepare a very small amount of clay at a time. So this will actually ensure lesser wastage. So this tip is basically for those people who cannot invest a lot of time in making art, just like me, or who do not have the privilege to work for longer hours for a single art piece. So this is actually air dry clay, and they dry as soon as they are left for some time in open air. So if you prepare a lot of clay at a time, and then if by any chance you have to rush to attend some other work in the middle of the session, then this clay will get dried up by the time you catch up later, and it will just be of no use. So it's just a very simple tip that you have to keep in mind while working with air dry clay. almost done with making the clay pieces and sticking them onto the board, and I will leave it to dry for at least 24 hours or more and clean my desk, and now get ready to color it. So after it gets dried up, I will use white acrylic color to prime it up. You can also use gesso for the purpose, but in this case I am preferring to use white acrylic color instead. It will help to even out the bumps on the clay pieces, and then will also help to apply the colors. The most important reason behind using white color as a primer is that the colors that you are going to apply will pop out more if you use white color as a base. The colors will look more vibrant, especially if you are using light colors or pastel shades. And now comes my most favorite part, which is painting. I will be using Montmartre acrylic colors to paint this thing, but you can use any other acrylic color of your choice. And here I am mixing some beautiful turquoise with some white and doing the sky. Oh, I can't tell you how much do I love this pastel shade. This is one of my most favorite colors. Actually, I have decided to use all pastel shades for this artwork. Actually, I want to give it a very soft pastel look. So stay tuned and keep watching the entire process. I hope it will be as therapeutic for you to watch as it was for me to paint. So please stay with me guys till the end of this video. Let's paint the flowers now. I am using a pale yellow mixed with white to do the flowers. I won't paint the entire petal. I am applying the color just at the center of the flower. I'm done with painting the flowers and the leaves, and now it's time to paint the bird. I have chosen the same turquoise shade for this bird. The only difference is that I have mixed lesser white with it as compared to the sky. I'm just loving the fact how this shade is completely matching with the shade of my nail paint here, guys. I'm going to add some more details, just making some boundaries with a darker shade around the leaves and the other motifs. Now once all the paint dries up, now it's time to varnish. I always prefer to apply varnish after 48 hours so that the color is completely dry. So I am using a gloss varnish for this. So actually I always prefer using these gloss varnishes for these wall murals because it gives that glossy finish and I absolutely love it. There's one thing that you need to notice here is that I am not applying varnish to the entire painting at once. I am working on patches in this because this is a 3D thing and there are so many nooks and corners throughout the painting that you need to put varnish on. So always apply varnish on a small area, spread it thoroughly and then move on to the next patch. You can apply 2 to 3 coats of varnish and then leave it to dry for at least 2 to 3 days. And ta-da! Here it is! It's time for the final reveal. And I have already mounted it on my wall and this is how it looks. And I am pretty happy with the final outcome. And please let me know your honest opinions about it. Do you like it as much as I do? Please let me know. So hey guys, did you like today's video? I hope you did, and if you really did, then please don't forget to give a thumbs up. I see so many views on my videos, but there are very few likes. I don't know whether you really don't like my videos or just like any other viewer, you just forget to click on the thumbs up button. So it's just a reminder for you, if you really do like my video, then please go and press on that thumbs up and please keep motivating me guys. Is there anything that you want me to paint next week? Then please share it with me. I will be very happy to work on new ideas guys. If you have any suggestion for me, then please feel free to comment in the comment section below. I am also there on Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram handle is rimsartsy_vibes and my Facebook page is rimsartsyvibes. So I hope you support me there as well. So this was all for today guys. Meet you again in my next episode next week. Till then, keep painting and keep loving your art journey. Too much planning sometimes messes it all up. So don't think much, just take your paints and take out all your brushes and take out a piece of paper or a piece of canvas, whatever is available with you, and start painting. As you already see on my channel, you can paint on basically anything around you, especially if you are working with acrylics. So don't think much, don't do so much planning and all. If you feel like painting, just start painting. So this was all for today guys. Bye.